We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Longton Bridge was built over 90 years ago and for most of its life has been picturesque ruins. It was a railway bridge designed with large arches like a European viaduct. But unfortunately, this design proved unsuitable to an earthquake-prone area. In the 7.1 earthquake of 1935, the bridge was badly damaged. 10 supporting pillars remained between the arches, and the 4 of these were further damaged in the 1999 Gigi earthquake. The site is very popular with visitors, but the narrow road and lack of facilities coupled with large tour coaches make it a frustrating tourist destination. Hello and welcome to another Hakka lesson of the day. Today, I'm going to share with you my secrets. 今天呢，我们来讲这个打打气的 And when someone is feeling down. But first, our Alice 彭老师, how are you?
I'm fine. 我都好，我都快乐。
Oh, she's always very happy. Well, I'll tell you what, sometimes I feel down because, my medical condition. 有时候我要到医院去检查，然后会觉得有点这个害怕。When somebody is feeling down, 你怎么去安慰他？
哎呦，唔是笑你，歡歡喜喜，將會失棒你。
What does that mean?
就會係你啊，唔是笑你，不用那麼憂愁啊。
Don't worry.
愛歡歡喜喜。
Be happy.
將會失棒你。
And you'll live up to 120.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't really need to be that long. Maybe 65, 70 就够了. Okay, one more time. When somebody's feeling down, like in my case sometimes, when I need to be cheered up. 再講一次。
唔是笑你。
唔是笑你，國語是
不用憂愁。
Don't worry.
歡歡喜喜。
Be happy.
將會失棒你。
You'll be 120. Okay, that's really cool. One more time, Alice.
唔是笑你。
Don't worry.
歡歡喜喜。
Be happy.
將會失棒你。
And you'll live up to 120. Okay, that's our lesson of the day. Thank you, Alice. We'll see you next time.
師母安子些。
師母大家安子些。
張來了。
Bye bye now.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.